Python is a popular high-level programming language used for web development, game development, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, and many other applications. It has simple syntax, clear code, and a wide range of libraries and frameworks that make it versatile and easy to use. Python is an interpreted language, which means it can be run immediately without the need for compilation. It has a clear and intuitive syntax that makes it easy to understand and read, making it ideal for beginners. Python is also dynamically typed and has built-in memory management, which means you don't have to manually allocate or delocate memory. Python is a great language for beginners who are just starting out in programming. It's used for web development, data analysis, automation, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, and many other applications. Beginners can start by learning the basics of Python programming and then move on to more advanced topics like web development or data analysis. Python programming is a great choice for beginners who want to learn programming. With its simple syntax, dynamic typing, and built-in memory management, Python is easy to learn and use. Beginners can start with web development, data analysis, automation, or any other application of their choice, and then move on to more advanced topics. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel to get latest technology updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.